and I'm excited today to show you what's inside the shop. So let's go and take a look. Come on. Here in Scentopia, and I'm here with Shane, and then he's gonna explain a little bit of Scentopia. Let's start with Shane.
Okay, hi everyone, welcome to Scentopia. So basically this is a new attraction in Sentosa. What we do over here at this place is that you can make your own personalized perfume, and we also have some perfumes that you are already ready-made that you can bring home as well, that symbolizes Singapore and Sentosa. We only open since March, so this attraction is relatively new. Yeah. Making that you can do, we will also give you a short tour. So basically there will be tours whereby you can get the augmented reality from the pictures over there. It will interact with you, like the fun facts about Singapore, the fun facts about Sentosa, and even fun facts about perfumes and scents as well. All these pictures here, there is this QR code that people can scan with their phone. When they think about scents, they only think about perfume, they only think about ingredients that make up that perfume, but there's actually other elements that that has to be included, or that has to be involved around scents and perfume as well. If you were to purchase a ticket for the perfume making workshop, we'll give you a rough brief through, a run through about this place, because we also do have like a ticket just for the tour without doing any perfume as well.
We are asked to fill up this one. Shane will assist us on how to make this perfume.
Okay, so based on what you have answered earlier on, you will probably know the scents over here have been categorized into 5 different categories. So that is citrus, fresh, floral, woody, and oriental. So one in one column is all the same scent. So what they just have to do is take this out. This is what we call a scent wand. So basically this is infused with fragrance oil, and people just have to smell the scent from here.
Okay, yes. So you can smell okay.
Yeah, you want to try the smell? Yeah, so if people like this smell, they can write number 1 in the citrus men category. So they will write 1 here. Yeah, so by doing that, we will be able to know later on when we make the perfume for you, where you get the scent from. Is it from the man's one or the woman's one?
Okay.
And then in any point of time, like if people need to like freshen up their nose, or after they smell too many of the scents, they are getting a bit confused, they can use the coffee bean provided, which is this one. This is all the coffee beans. Yeah, so this will help them to actually clear up a bit of the scents that they smelled earlier on, and then so that they can smell, especially those that are very mild.
Okay, now I'm going to start the scents that I have. I will pick the scents that I want here based on the quiz that I've answered. So I'm gonna choose from here. Choose five of this, and then I'm gonna put in this basket.
you will probably end up with 10 different scents because there were 10 questions earlier on. So over here we provide the men's one and the woman's one. So the men's one, the scent is a bit more intense, a bit more stronger. The ladies one, they are lighter and sweeter. So if you are someone who have more citrus notes, you are someone who is very energetic, very cheerful, very young-hearted group of people. And then people at fresh notes, they are someone who is very easygoing, happy-go-lucky sort of people.
Yeah.
They are very good at adapting to the surroundings. People on the floral notes, they are kind, caring, romantic. However, sometimes people on the floral notes, they can be very sensitive at times. People on the woody notes, they are a bit more careful before they speak up. They will think a bit more before they proceed with any of their action or they do anything.
Okay.
And last but not least, Oriental. This group of people, they are very goal-oriented, very opinionated, and they always have a direction or things that they want to, where they want to go.
Is it when you spray on the clothes and stain on the clothes?
Yes, it will, because
Okay.
all these have natural ingredients in it, and they have color as well. So it's best to spray on your wrist or your neck pressure point.
Okay.
Okay, so this one here, I'll spray some on your wrist and try to
Hi guys, welcome back to me and we're done. And look what I got. I got 100 ml perfume. We're giving away 2 tickets to visit Scentopia, Singapore. So you can experience how to make your own perfume, choosing the scents that you like. Please check the description below the mechanics and subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Watch for the ticket we'll be giving away. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.